Ẹ kú dédé àsìkò yìí o ẹ̀yin mọ̀lẹ́bí mi ọmọ kóòtù òjíire ní gbogbo orígun mẹ́rẹ̀ẹ̀rin àgbáyé níbikíbi tẹ́ bá ti ń ní àǹfààní àti tẹ́tí sí mi wò mí. Mo dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ yín gan fún àtìlẹ́yìn àti àdúrótì tí ẹ̀ ń ṣe fún mi. Èmi náà sì ń promise pé mi ò ní padà lẹ́yìn gbogbo ohun tí yóò bá na ọwọ́ ọmọ kóòtù òjíire sókè. Mi ò ní dẹ̀yìn lẹ́yìn wọn. Gbogbo ohun tí yóò bá mú wa wálẹ̀, èmi náà ready láti mú nǹkan náà wálẹ̀. Ọ̀rọ̀ kan ló ṣe bí ọ̀rọ̀ tí mo fẹ́ sọ fún wa. Ẹnìkan pè mí, bọ́ níbi tó ti pè mí, wọ́n pọ̀ ń bẹ̀ torí mò ń gbọ́ ohùn àwọn kan tó ń bá dá sí. Ó pè mí, ó wá ní Yorùbá ló bá mi sọ o. Don't be surprised, ó lè má jẹ́ Yorùbá. Ó ní èmi mo wà too tribalistic, pé àgbàlagbà dẹ̀ ni mí, mo ṣe máa wà too tribalistic to that extent. Pé èmi ń sọ̀rọ̀ kí wọ́n fún Sunday Igboho ní free movement. Mo ń sọ̀rọ̀, mo ń gbìjà Sunday Igboho, mi ò gbìjà Nnamdi Kanu. Pé ṣé kìí ṣe nǹkan kan náà ni Nnamdi Kanu àti Chief Sunday Igboho gbé dání ni. Pé tèmi ò bá ní wà tribalistic, ó yẹ kémi máa bẹ̀bẹ̀ fún Nnamdi Kanu náà. Mi fẹ́ play nǹkan tó àjọfà lórí kìíní. Mo ní lóòótọ́ ni, tó bá jẹ́ wípé tí mọ̀dò bá ṣe bí ẹlẹ́dẹ̀ yóò bàlú jẹ́, tẹ́rú bá jọba kò ní kẹ́nìkan ṣoṣo. Mo ní Sunday Igboho tó fi ń wé ẹni rẹ yẹn, mo lọ àbí ìgbà tí èèyàn bá ń fi èṣù wé Ọlọ́run. Ìgbà tí èèyàn bá ń fi èṣù wé Ọlọ́run, despite the fact pé a mọ̀ wípé èṣù ọ̀hún gangan náà Ọlọ́run yìí ló dá, òun náà ò jẹ́ bá Ọlọ́run fa nǹkan kan. Pé kí ló ṣe máa compare Sunday Igboho pẹ̀lú Nnamdi Kanu? Kí ni wọ́n fi jọra wọn? Tell me something in common tí wọ́n ní. The only thing in common ni wípé àwọn náà fẹ́ òmìnira, Sunday Igboho náà fẹ́ òmìnira. Ṣùgbọ́n kó tó di pé Sunday ń jà fún òmìnira gangan, òmìnira àwọn mọ̀lẹ́bí ẹ̀ ló kọ́kọ́ jà fún. Nígbà tí ogun bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní pa mọ̀lẹ́bí rẹ̀ tó sì wà láyé, tó dẹ̀ believe pé òun lágbára àti lé ogun yẹn jìnnà. Sunday lọ lé ogun dànù ni. Sunday ò pààyàn, Sunday ò ṣe apààyàn. Tó bá jẹ́ pé gbogbo iná lẹ máa ń wà lórí íńtánẹ́ẹ̀tì dáadáa, ẹ ti pàdé ibi tí bọ̀bọ́ tí wọ́n tágẹ́ẹ̀tì gangan tó jẹ́ pé òun is all and all láàrin àwọn ọmọ Fúlàní ní ìlú yẹn. Ẹ rí pé ó ti sọ̀rọ̀ tó ní òun ò lè padà sí ìlú yẹn mọ́ láyé, tó ń sọ̀rọ̀ bó ṣe bẹ̀rù Sunday Igboho tó. Látìgbà náà, ǹjẹ́ ẹ gbọ́ bí ó ti ń ṣẹlẹ̀ tẹ́lẹ̀? Bó tilẹ̀ jẹ́ ìkọ̀ọ̀kan ṣẹlẹ̀ sẹ́mu pé wọ́n máa yọ wa sáf, torí pé tẹ́ ẹ bá rántí even ogun tí àwọn Boko Haram gan ń bá orílẹ̀-èdè yìí jà, ìgbà kan wà tó jẹ́ pé everywhere ni wọ́n ń ju bomb sí. Téèyàn ó kú rẹpẹtẹ, wọ́n ó jù sọ́jà, wọ́n ó jù sí church, wọ́n ó jù sí mosque, níbi táwọn bá ti rí páwọn èèyàn sùjọ. Ṣùgbọ́n nígbà tí sẹ́rí àìmọ̀kan ni ó jẹ́ ká mọ̀ wípé ìjọba put up a fight pẹ̀lú wọn. bó lè jẹ́ pé àwọn kan nínú ìjọba wa náà ni wọ́n dúró gẹ́gẹ́ bí sponsor wọn. So ìgbà tó wọ́n rí i pé ìjọba ti jágbọ́n tactics yẹn, ó wá di pé wọ́n ń lọ pa àwọn èèyàn individual, wọ́n ń jí àwọn èèyàn gbé, wọ́n fi wọ́n gbowó, wọ́n ń ṣe gbogbo ẹ̀. Ó ti yàtọ̀ sí bọ́n ṣe ń pa wọ́n nípa bí kí 200 300 èèyàn kú lẹ́ẹ̀kan náà lórí àdó olóró kan ẹyọ nìkan ni ó sì gbé wá yóò fẹ̀mí tiẹ̀ ṣòfò, nítorí pé n tí wọ́n ń jẹ́ kán mọ̀ ní pé ẹni tó bá ti kú irú ikú yẹn, wọ́n ní yóò fẹ́ iye ìyàwó kan, Ọlọ́run fún ní iye ìyàwó kan ní ọ̀run, pé yóò jẹ èrè tó pọ̀ lọ́run, gbogbo tí ò jẹ láyé ó máa lọ jẹ lọ́run. Yorùbá ò ní báyàn nígbàgbọ́ nínú yẹn láéláé. N tí n bá fẹ́ jẹ́ kí n jẹ ń bí, tí wọn náà bá fẹ́ jẹ́ kó jẹ lọ́yìn ayé kí gbogbo ayé orí wa. Ayé la wà tí àwọn dáńtàtà nígbà ayé wọn táwọn náà wà náà. Àwọn ọmọ wọn tó ń ṣe dáadáa ń sìn, ilé ayé yìí náà làwọn àjọ ń ṣiṣẹ́ ni. Látijọ́ aláyé ti dáyé lọ́wọ́ ẹnìkan tí jíjú ẹnìkan lọ. So mo wá sọ fún ẹni pé gbogbo ohun tó ń sọ yẹn rubbish ni, aṣáàjà kúrò lórí fóònù ni. Mo dẹ̀ mọ̀ pé ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ àwọn èèyàn náà ló máa ní the same thing in mind. Mo wá fẹ́ clear mind yín lẹ́nu. Mo fẹ́ kẹ́ ẹ mọ̀ pé bí n bá wà tribalistic, ẹnìkan ló jẹ́ kí n wà tribalistic, and I will let you see. I will let you know that person and see him. Ẹ bá mi kà lọ. Ẹ dákun, ẹ máa gbọ́ n tó sọ mí di ẹni tí wọ́n ń pè ní tribalistic.
They announce it, Yoruba newspapers very foolishly and stupidly will support them because they want you to go as the president. And you are all dying every blessed day. You are all dying every day. And you people reason up to say that what is happening in Nigeria is bad. There is no way that Pastor Randy's daughter will not be alive today. That is the price you pay for duplicity. That is the price you pay for fake. That is the price you will continue to pay until you rise up and say, enough is enough. It is up to you to do it. You did it during NSAS. You can do it again. Can you imagine Fulani people telling you, if you remove Fulanis from Yoruba forest, imagine Fulani telling you, if you remove them from your ancestral lands, there will be war, and you are panicking. And you have not asked yourself, why are they not saying something about the East? Why did they not say to Eastern Security Network? Why did they not say to me, if you don't stop evacuating Fulani terrorists from the forest, there will be war? Because they understand psychologically that you don't have what it takes to resist them. Do you know why Borno State is still alive? Why you still have the Canadian people in Borno today? Was because they resisted the Fulani centuries ago.
Story for you.
You have to go back to history to understand how Nigeria came into existence. Fulani has been expanding from day one, from Senegambia. All the way from Senegambia, they've been expanding, and now they are in Okigwe. All the way from Senegambia. They are now in Okigwe. And you're asking us to stop and keep quiet because of 2023, because one idiot is going to come out to become a president, because of that rubbish, because of that nonsensical notion, we should put our hands and wait until we are overrun by the danger from the Sahel. Is that how reasonable people think? Is that how people that wish to survive as a race, is that how they reason? It is very, very shocking that some of you do not understand what the Fulani have in store for you. Very, very soon it is going to happen. And when it happens, your eyes will clear. And about whom you will see very clearly. I was warning you in 2014, 2015, 2016. They said he's a warmonger. He's a warmonger. I went to America and I told World War Congress that this war you are boarding is going to come to your field. They said, no, it's not going to happen. I want you. When Yoruba the dead idiot called Buhari, did I not warn them that this evil you're supporting will consume you?
Kò tiẹ̀ rí bò kankan ní ilẹ̀ Ìgbò.
They never wanted to listen.
Àwọn support
So, IPOB is a terrorist group. You're trying to divide Nigeria. But in Nigeria, it's not. People, they are calling bandits. Have you heard anybody come out to say, please, Buhari, since presidency is there defending terrorists in the forest, why don't you proscribe them? No, you cannot proscribe the Islamic group. Never. And all of you are supporting evil. When there is the proscribed IPOB, proscribed religious people of Biafra. These are European journalists writing talk. Every day they keep writing rubbish. But their land is under siege. Their land is under siege.
Land is one year under siege.
So I am here today to encourage them that they must stand tall and be very strong. Reason. That is what Fulani does. They control the media. They have well-paid consultants all over the world doing their bidding for them. They have that woman at UN trying to lobby the world that everything is okay in the zoo called Nigeria. But you and I know that the zoo is not okay. You and I know the damn plan of the Fulani. And what are you doing about it? Nothing. Every day you read, you lament, you complain. Every day you read, you lament. That's all you do. That is all you do. You read, you lament, you complain, you do nothing about it. Your lives are being taken away from you. Your forests are being occupied. Your mothers are being raped. Your daughters are being abducted. And the whole national government, presidency, is supporting such people. And you're telling me that Nigeria is viably sustainable. Is that what you're telling me? That somehow this contraction is sustainable, it is viable. It can never be. Because the more you stay in one Nigeria, the more you are inviting the Fulanis to take over your ancestral lands, take over your villages, and to make life a misery for you. That is the end game. That is the outcome. If you doubt me, go and do a bit of research. Ask yourself, who are the Hausa people? Who are the Nupe people? Who are the Bachama people? All of these people were steamrolled by the Fulani man to the Atlantic Ocean. And now they know about them. They're in their forests. They are in their forests.
In our forest, one sees forest is one.
This is not the Yoruba youths. Forget about your useless governors. Your elders are very strong. I love Yoruba elders. The way they behave, the way they talk, very very strong. They say they support Akeredolu. This is not from those states. They support him in what he's doing. People must come out to say that enough is enough. When you travel to the north, do you live in the forest in the north? The Igbo people in Southern Gary in Kano, are they living in half across his house land? Are they living in the forest? They came to the town, they work very hard, they build houses, they build mansions, they build the entire place. Is that not what they do?
Ìlú tí wọ́n lé wọn.
And Fulani people living in our forest. Nobody can answer that question. They say that they're pastoralists. I want some of you have had your breakfast this morning. Please go to your fridge or go to where you keep your beverages and you will see pig milk. Pig. Some of us were raised on pig milk. For how many years now? And you keep asking yourself, what is pig milk? Pig milk is the same milk that the cows produce in Poland can be produced in the sea. Tell me the country in the world aspiring to be a member of the UN Security Council where you move cattle from place to place. Are you people well at all? You so-called Nigerians, are you not well in the brain? I'm asking you.
Same, bro. Nigeria entirely about
to be in the 21st century, moving cattle,
including his father and mother.
So all of you don't have any shame. When you have people, an entire presidency coming out to defend a very primitive, archaic agricultural practice, then you know you embrace lostness. You are in one almighty problem. People are in a mess. The Holland that you get your pig milk from, you don't move cattle from Rotterdam to Amsterdam? I'm asking you a simple question. But they produce the pig milk that you're drinking every blessed day. Why can't Fulani produce pig milk in Sokoto? Why can't they produce Carnation milk in Ghana? They have the cattle. Before the white man came, did you see any farming in your forest? All this was talking rubbish about movement of cattle and movement of. I'm asking you, before Britain came and handed over Nigeria to Fulani, ask your grandfathers, please, our grandfathers.
There you go.
All this nonsense you are hearing today in this so-called one, I want to tell you the dangers of one Nigeria. All this nonsense you're hearing today about one Nigeria, before I mean in our forest, before I mean in our village, before the white man came, did you see people moving their cattle all over the place? They do not have meat to eat. They will answer these questions for you. Because sometimes in Africa we don't listen very well. The way we listen is disjointed. I can't understand for the life of me why instead of them to waste all that money arming and equipping this guy with army to come and conquer you and I, why don't they open a milk factory somewhere in the north and bring the milk down south? I'm sure Southerners will buy it. After all, pig milk comes all the way from Holland. Pig milk all the way from Holland. Now you understand it. Because of the way you people reason. Why can't you produce? Is it difficult to produce milk? The same milk that comes out naturally from the udder of the cow. Why can't you can it somewhere, process, pasteurize it, and send it to eat, to drink, or to do whatever? All about the water is what is happening. In fact, they produce so much milk in Europe that they pour it away. Why can't you do something? A whole president claiming they are in the 21st century are supporting a very primitive practice of moving cattle from places. You're not ashamed of yourself. You have no shame. As somebody will say, your shame is shaming me. I'm telling you people from the zoo, I'm ashamed of your ignorance and stupidity. You people are hopeless, completely hopeless.
Gbogbo wa ní báwí ẹ̀ gbogbo Nàìjíríà.
And you're moving
Òun nìkan ló gbọ́.
to a honor. You are intellectuals. You are intellectualizing. You are in the 21st century, you are moving cattle, driving cattle now from over 300 miles. Claiming Yoruba forest is the place for you to be in. You want to relax Yoruba forest. It's your every Nigerian is.
Ó ṣe sọ tiẹ̀, ó ṣe fi Yorùbá lẹ̀.
And do their business anywhere, yes. But when an Igbo man tries to sell beer in Kano, you destroy it. You destroy their businesses, you destroy their hotels, but you can come down to the south and live anywhere you like.
Kí ló dé yín náà ò kọ́ yẹn sílùú yín? Kí ló ń lé yín lù yín? Tílùú yín bá dá aṣẹ́ máa lọ kọ́ máṣọ̀ sílùú òǹlù ni.
The Fulanis we are talking, they call them the Funa movement. Our attention has been drawn to a degree, to one road in asking people who have occupied some forest in Ondo State to quit. We are also aware of another incident in Oyo State where an illiterate political talk gave quick notice to 20 people to leave their territories, which are now their irreversible homes. And listening, Fulani are now saying that Yoruba forest is now their irreversible homes. They are now occupied.
Land is in call.
And I want to let my Yoruba friends understand this. You see, in life,
Sáwa ló ń jà fún ni, àbí ó ń jà fún tiẹ̀?
All of you never knew that IPOB and this Biafra movement was for your liberation. Some of you saw maybe the oil and gas from Biafra land. If they go now, we have access to oil and gas. In the process of having your eyes fixated on oil and gas, your forest is gone. Do you understand it? There is nothing more precious in life than freedom. Freedom is very important. And I need you to understand this very morning. Every Yoruba person supporting Fulani, you are setting up yourself to become like the Hausa people. Remember when Hausa was supporting Fulani? We are Hausa Fulani. Where are the Hausa people today? I ask you. Where are those Hausa people today? Do you see them anymore? You're saying we are Hausa Fulani. We are Hausa Fulani. Do you see them again today? Do you see them? I'm asking you. No, because Fulani have completely overwhelmed them. It's called emasculation. Completely emasculated them. Look at what they're doing in the East. In the East, they go to the East, they will tell you, oh, you want to be president or vice? Yeah. They say, give us land. For Ruga. They give them land. I saw this of how they did that for Banta. They're taking it over in forever and ever. Give us land in your state. Most of them are proof to us that you are stood. Give us land in our home. Most of them give them land in our home. We can go and kill people in Obibo. We can kill for them. How many Fulani governors are prepared to kill bandits? I didn't say normal people. I'm talking about armed, dangerous bandits How many Fulani governors? Go and read your newspapers, you will see it there. Fulani governors are negotiating with them, giving them arms, giving them vehicles, making sure that their life is no longer a mystery. But they come down to the south. They tell you, give us land for Luga. Go and kill your people to prove to us that you want Nigeria. That was why what was talking about was talking yesterday or 2 days ago. Supported by the BBC. The problem the people have in Nigeria is this. Your journalists, you see people punch newspaper, Tribune, Vanguard, and Nation. They are your second worst enemies. I'm telling you. They can never ever be objective in their reportage. Never ever ever. That's why all of you are suffering. So you don't know it. They are the same.
Ó wọ́n suffer, àwa làwa ń suffer.
Of course, some of you went about looking for Indomie in warehouses. Typical black people. Any revolution that is coming now, you must stand very firm. They say, oh, you're evil. Oh, you're Yoruba. Oh, you are from Morocco. Don't join them. It's our turn in 2023. If you do this, you will scuttle our chances of becoming the president.
Ẹ̀yin èèyàn, mo rò pé ẹ ti gbọ́ díẹ̀ nínú ọ̀rọ̀ tó mú mi di díẹ̀ lẹ sì gbọ́ yẹn o, ọ̀rọ̀ tó mú mi di ẹni tó wà tribalistic. Ó dùn mí fún Kanu. Ṣé ẹ gbọ́ pé ó sọ̀rọ̀ nípa freedom, ó sọ bí freedom ṣe important tó. Òun ni ò free lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́ báyìí, ó wà ń gbèkùn. Now, ṣé n tẹ́ ń compare pẹ̀lú Chief Sunday Igboho leléyìí torí Ọlọ́run? Àkọ́kọ́, calling Nigeria a zoo fún ẹni tó bá ní ọpọlọ lórí, ó mean wípé ẹranko ni gbogbo àwọn òbí wa àtàwọn ọmọ wa, because ẹranko ló máa ń gbé nínú zoo. Ẹranko ni ó ń wà nínú zoo táwọn èèyàn ń lọ fowó wò. So calling it Nigeria a zoo lásán, ó ti yẹ kó mọ̀ pé eléyìí ìjà àdánìkànjà ló fẹ́ jà kọ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ anybody jà. But tó ń dùn mí ni pé why tó ń kú tó jẹ́ pé ọ̀rọ̀ tí Yorùbá ní fi ń ṣàpèjúwe, why tó sọ àdánwò tí ń bẹ nílùú yín, why táwọn mọ̀lẹ́bí tí ẹ ń lọ kọ́ mansion tó bá jẹ́ pé kò sí aburú nílùú yín, why tí àwọn mọ̀lẹ́bí tí ẹ ń lọ kọ́ mansion sí ìlú onílùú, why? Mo sọ̀rọ̀ àwọn ìgbómìnà ń jọ sí. Ìgbómìnà máa gbénú 2-bedroom flat lẹ́kọ̀ọ́, ó máa lọ kọ́ bàbá ìyáláyà mansion sílùú wọn. That is Yorùbá for you. Ọpọlọ táwa nínú ẹ̀. Ṣùgbọ́n mi ò lè blame àwọn náà. Mo mọ̀ pé ó ní tí wọ́n ń sá fún nínú ìdílé wọn, nínú ìlú wọn, tí wọn kì í fi lè ṣe nǹkan dáadáa síbẹ̀. Òun sọ bí ẹni pọ́dọ̀ wa nìkan ni àwọn Fúlàní ń bọ̀. Ṣé Fúlàní ò pààyàn nílẹ̀ Ìgbò ni? Ẹ dákun, ṣé Fúlàní ò pààyàn? Ẹ jẹ́ kí wọ́n wá béèrè pé èèyàn tí Nnamdi Kanu àtàwọn colleagues ẹ̀ pa láàrin ara wọn tí wọ́n jẹ́ ọmọ ìlú ara wọn, ṣẹ́ranko làwọn yẹn ni, ṣẹ́díẹ̀ ni wọ́n àbẹ́ràn tẹ́ ń dú wọn, tí ẹ pa wọ́n tán tẹ́ tán gé wọn, ẹ̀pọ̀ ọlọ́pàá ẹ̀pa àti tó bá jẹ́ ọlọ́pàá àti tó jẹ́ sójà nú àwọn ọ̀ràn yín, ẹ̀ẹ́dẹ̀ dú wọn, ẹ̀ẹ́dẹ̀ gé ẹran wọn lékìrì. Ìyìn lè bá yín wí nítorí pé gbogbo ẹran tẹ́ gé lékìrì yẹn náà lẹ́ẹ̀kúkú jẹ. Ẹ̀jẹ̀ téèyàn ọ̀sàsà nílùú téèyàn máa wá nínú ìlú yín, téèyàn ọ̀bà sọ́ra yóò jẹrin èèyàn. Mo fi Ọlọ́run Elédùmarè búra. Tó bá jẹ́ pé kò síbi tí wọ́n ti ń tẹ́rin èèyàn nílùú yín, ẹ jáde kẹ́ ẹ sọ fún mi. Kẹ́ ẹ jáde kẹ́ ẹ bá mi fà. Why Yorùbá ẹ dákun? Ṣé Yorùbá ló ń jà fún ni? Ṣé Yorùbá ni ẹni yìí ń jà fún ni tó fi jẹ́ pé gbogbo everything Yorùbá? Ó ní ká lọ bèrè lọ grandfather wa. Ní kí Nàìjíríà lọ bèrè lọ grandfather wọn, ká lọ bèrè lọ grandmother wọn. You can imagine ẹni tó ti mú gbóyó torí ẹ̀ ti yí tó ń sọ̀rọ̀ yìí. ó ní kí gbogbo yín lọ bèrè lọ grandfather yín ẹ lọ bèrè lọ grandmother yín as if that he is older than àwọn tó ń rí fáwọn àti kánà bèrè lọ́wọ́ yẹn gbogbo àwọn nǹkan yẹn ṣẹlẹ̀ lójú tiẹ̀ ni kò sọ nìkan tó lọ́pọlọ tó máa ń tó ṣẹlẹ̀ mọ́ àfòun nìkan. ṣé rí gbogbo ẹni tẹ́ bá ti rí pé ó tutọ́ sílẹ̀ wọ́n ń fẹsẹ̀ parẹ́ àwọn ni wọ́n máa burú tí wọ́n ń fi tọ́ sí wàláì. ó sọ̀rọ̀ ọmọ bàbá Fásórántì kí ló dé tí wọ́n máa ń yìn sáàtì kí wọ́n tó pa ọmọ bàbá wa yẹn ẹ dákun ọmọ Yorùbá mélòó ni wọ́n ti pa wá ìtọ́jẹ́ ti bàbá Fásórántì nìkan ló ń rìfà wá sí just because ẹni yẹn wá láti family tó ga mọ iye èèyàn tí wọ́n ti pa nílẹ̀ Yorùbá kí wọ́n tó pa ẹni yẹn ṣé kìí sáwọn Fúlàní náà wọ́n pa Abíọ́lá ni ṣé kìí sáwọn Fúlàní náà ní pa Bọ́lá Ìgè ni ìyá wa Sùlẹ́à ṣé kìí sáwọn yìí náà ló pa ni Kúdírátù Abíọ́lá ṣé kìí sáwọn Fúlàní yìí ló pa ni táwọn Fúlàní kọ́ ló pa kí ó tó di wípé ọ̀rọ̀ níbọn dé tí kálukú ń jà sí bọ́ǹsìn ìran yín ní gbébọn tẹ́lẹ̀ àwa ò kì í ìbọn tẹ́ ẹ bá lọ́wọ́ Yorùbá ìbọn sakabùlà tí ó fi pẹran ni ìran yín ní gbébọn àti pààyàn èyí lè ń lo AK-47 AK-49 àwa machine gun àwa ò kì í bá yín lò torí ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ń lò náà ẹ mọ̀ ní tẹ́ ẹ fi ń ṣe gbogbo ẹnu kọ́ la fi sọ̀rọ̀ ẹ mọ̀ ní tẹ́ ẹ fi ń ṣe náà tí wọ́n bá mú amúrọ̀bà 10 a lè rí Yorùbá ń bẹ o a lè rí Haúsá ń bẹ o bó ṣe ṣe kẹ́ má dìjú 1 lọ́nu wọn àwọn ọ̀ràn wo làwọn yòókù ẹ lọ sí àwọn prison yard káàkiri ní gbogbo diaspora ẹ lọ kó ọmọ Nàìjíríà tó wà ń bẹ jáde ẹ wo kí ni ratio tí ọmọ Ìgbò wà sí àwọn ẹ̀yà yòókù tó bá dé yá èèyàn máa pariwo fún àwa bí ẹni wípé àwa ò lọ́pọlọ àwa lọ́pọlọ àwa ò ní nǹkan tá a fẹ́ fi AK-47 sí right from time ẹ̀yin tí ń lò kí ó tó di pé ọ̀rọ̀ àwọn Fúlàní ṣẹlẹ̀ èyí tí ń lò ẹ ti ń lò nínú àwọn tó ń jalè ń jọun Babátúndé Fọlọ́runṣọ́ tí wọ́n pa àwọn ọmọ Yorùbá kọ̀ wọn ò sọ orúkọ yẹn mọ́ wọn bá wọn jẹ́ orúkọ yẹn mọ́ níbi tí mo sọ fún yín pé tí nínú ìdílé tán ti bí mi nígbà tí mo sì wà ń kékeré tí n bá sọ pé mo wà ń kékeré kì í ṣe pé mi ò tí ì gbọ́n mo ti jáde primary school mo ti ń kọ́ṣẹ́ lọ́wọ́ ńgbà yẹn tí ẹnìkan bá ṣẹ̀ tàbí bá yàn jà tán bá wá fọlọ́pàá mú nílé ọ̀dọ̀ wa tán lọ tì mọ́lé kódà kó jẹ́ pé wọ́n tì mọ́lé láàárọ̀ wọ́n rí gba béèlì ẹ̀ lọ́sàn-án àwọn ará ilé tí wọ́n mọ̀ sá fún ni gbígbà ó ti tẹ̀ wọ́n di gbígbà tó jẹ́ pé nǹkan kan wà lára àwọn tó bá dé yẹn tán máa ń fi yíyàn kálukú ọmọ sá fún ni mo fi Ọlọ́run Elédùmarè búra lórí tí mò ń sọ yìí ṣùgbọ́n amrọ̀bà ni wọ́n mú ẹlòmíì fún tẹ́ bá bi léèrè pé where is Chukwu ẹmọ tí ó sọ fún yẹn he has small case he's in police station kò tí ẹ̀ ní sọ fún yẹn pé ó wà lẹ́wọ̀n so a lè fi ra wa wéra wa rárá a yàtọ̀ síra wa ní gbogbo ọ̀nà ẹ má bínú ó ní ó máa sọ̀rọ̀ ó máa ṣe rí kì í ṣe pé kò ní sí nǹkan kan kọ̀ọ̀kan kéékèèké tó tó jẹ́ element of truth nínú tó ń sọ o ṣùgbọ́n gbogbo ìyókù olórí burúkú ọ̀rọ̀ ni nǹkan ẹyọ kan láàrin 25 lè máa lè rí tọ́ka sí ṣé gbogbo wa máa sọ pé bí àwọn Fúlàní ṣe ń pa wá yẹn sọdá ni kódà gbogbo alámọ̀ pé kódà gbogbo alámọ̀ wípé a ní ìdí láti yẹra fún Fúlàní a ní ìdí láti ní òmìnira tó bá jẹ́ pé n tí Sunday Igboho gbé dání nìyẹn Sunday Igboho kì í sọ gbogbo orú tó ń sọ yìí ẹ dákun torí Ọlọ́run mo fẹ́ kí gbogbo wa ẹ má bínú mo jọ́ ti àwọn nǹkan kan sílẹ̀ torí mi fẹ́ máa interrupt ẹ̀ nígbà tó ń sọ̀rọ̀ yẹn ṣé ẹ mọ̀ pé olóyìnbó ló sọ pé who fight and run away live to fight for another day lọ́rọ̀ tí wàá ṣe rí nìyẹn àwa ò ń jagun bí ẹrú life ó ṣe ó important sáwà kọ́mọ Yorùbá ó tó lè pa dú ẹdí mi tí lè dá ẹdí ẹ pa bí mo ṣe wáyé lè kí n gbẹ̀mí lẹ́nu ẹ̀ nínú mi àti tàbí ẹran ṣùgbọ́n ṣé wo tó dá odidi èèyàn dọ̀bálẹ̀ ok gbogbo yín lẹ rí ní after bridge ní Ìwó níbi tí wọ́n ti pa sọ́jà tí wọ́n dẹ̀ ń sun ẹran rẹ̀ jẹ gbogbo yín lẹ rí ó wà lórí íńtánẹ́ẹ̀tì gbogbo yín lẹ rí kọ̀ọ̀kan ṣe gbé sórí bíbá yìí nù torí pé YouTube nígbàrú ẹ̀ tí wọ́n sì ń sun ẹran èèyàn jẹ ẹ wàá fi àwọn èèyàn wé ẹranko àwọn èmi náà ń sìn mi wá ní yọ ẹnìkan kan lè mọ́ ó lè jẹ́ pé ọkàn mi ò mọ̀ dá mi lẹ́bi torí pé bí Ọlọ́run ṣe dá àwa Yorùbá láti ronú nìyẹn pé àwọn kọ̀ọ̀kan mọ̀ dá nínú wọn ok àwọn kọ̀ọ̀kan tó dá nínú wọn ẹ jẹ́ kí n fi ẹnìkan hàn yín kẹ́ gbọ́ nǹkan tó sọ ẹ̀yin yẹn mi torí Ọlọ́run ẹ dákun ẹ lísìn sí àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ kan látẹnu Kánú àti brọ́dà rẹ̀ tó fún lésì. Ẹ dákun mo fẹ́ kẹ́ ẹ farabalẹ̀ gbọ́ Kánú mo fẹ́ kẹ́ ẹ farabalẹ̀ gbọ́ Kánú.
As the leader of IPOB, I am a very powerful man. I know that very well. I can decide who lives or who dies. I can decide to play God if I want to.
Play God.
I have over 2 million men under my command. I can destroy anywhere I want to. I have destroyed. Nnamdi Kanu is a person who is empty in his head. Another beast from the pit of hell.
Ibo ló ń sọ̀rọ̀ ẹ̀yẹn.
Using the same evil propaganda lies to deceive the Igbo people again, leading them into another destruction. What is actually wrong with we Igbos? Why are we so destructive? Why are we so wicked? Why are we so heartless? What is wrong with this tribe? This is the question people should start asking themselves. Why is it that we are so wicked to the point that we the wicked become such wicked? Nnamdi Kanu has become an emperor to threaten people, to kill people. One prophet who could, just because the man criticized him, he sent men to go and they killed the man in Enugu. It shall never be well with Nnamdi Kanu.
Amen.
If you like, you can go ahead and glorify evil. But mind you that the same evil will consume you.
Amen.
If you're an evil man and you're supporting the activities of Nnamdi Kanu, sorry is your name, you are doomed. Nnamdi Kanu set up whatever demonic network he set up. Nnamdi Kanu has brought sorrow and pain in many families in Igbo land. But as long as Sheikh of Israel is alive, Nnamdi Kanu will die a sorrowful and painful death.
Amen.
If you have seen Nnamdi Kanu fighting for your freedom, you will forever die in self-captivity.
Amen. Ẹ dákun torí Ọlọ́run. Ṣé Igbo lẹ́lẹ̀ tó sọ̀rọ̀ yẹn? Ṣé èmi á wá condemn the entire Igbo? Sọ́kàn mi lè gbé, sọ́kàn mi ò ní máa ṣépè fún mi nínú ara mi. ìyàtọ̀ tó wà láàrin wa nìyẹn. Ẹ dákun ẹ gbọ́, ó ní I decide who die and who live. Ó ní I can deceive God. Nínú ọ̀rọ̀ tó sọ pé òun lè deceive Ọlọ́run. Ẹni tẹ́ wá fi ń compare pẹ̀lú Sunday Igboho nìyẹn, tí ìbá ṣe pé orí yín ti burú, orí yín ti dàrú. Gbogbo ẹnikẹ́ni tó bá ń fi Sunday Igboho compare Nnamdi Kanu, aláyọ̀bí bàjẹ́ ni. Ayọ̀ òǹtọ̀hún ti bàjẹ́, ayọ̀ òǹtọ̀hún ti dùgbò, òǹtọ̀hún ò lọ́pọlọ rárá mọ́. In fact ó yẹ kán fún òǹtọ̀hún bọ̀gùn ńlẹ̀ Yorùbá ni. Gbogbo ẹni tó bá ń fi àwọn méjèèjì wéra wọn. This person who decide who live and who should be killed. This person who can deceive God. He said he can deceive God. So, ẹ̀yin ọmọ ìyá mi, fídíò yìí ti gùn tó, ẹ má jẹ́ kí n fagún jù báyìí lọ. Mo kàn máa rọ àwọn èèyàn wa, òmìnira la fẹ́ o, ẹ má jẹ́ ká dìjẹ́ ká sọ di ìnira fúnra wa o. Tá a bá wá fẹ́ òmìnira yìí ṣe, àní èsì jẹ́ a máa fi Aṣíwájú Bọ́lá Ahmed Tinubu sí security wa. Even kọjọ́ wọn tó tiẹ̀ wúlò fún bàbá mi a máa sọ̀rọ̀ kan ní kó bolówó tán kó mọ́ fi mọ́ ni. Ó ṣàjú ká bọ́ tó sì tán lọ mọ́. Dádì mi kí ni túmọ̀? Tó bá ti bolówó tán tí ò fi mọ̀ ẹ́ tí ò fún ọ ní nǹkan kan ní owó rẹ̀, ará àta ọmọ bẹ́ẹ̀. Níjọ́ tẹ́nìkan bá gbọ́ òkè tó fẹ́ gbá létí láwọn tó ẹ̀gbọ́n lágbájá ló fẹ́ gbá létí, àbúrò lágbájá ló fẹ́ gbá létí. Òun náà ó ti mọ̀ pé wọ́n parí gbogbo ìgbésí ayé òun ní ọgbà ẹ̀wọ̀n ni. Kò sì mọ̀ pé bóun gba ẹ̀ létí kò sí nǹkan tó sọ. Orúkọ rẹ̀ dáàbò bò ẹ́ nìyẹn. Orúkọ rẹ̀ dáàbò bò ẹ́ nìyẹn. Ẹ̀yin èèyàn mi, ẹ dákun torí t'Ọlọ́run. Ẹ má jẹ́ ká fi ikú wé oorun, wọn yàtọ̀ síra wọn. Ẹni tó bá ti sùn yóò tún padà jí, yóò máa mí. Ẹni tó bá ti kú ò lè mí mọ́, kò tún lè padà jí sáyé mọ́. Ẹ má fi méjèèjì wéra wọn. Ẹ má fi àdàbà wé tòlótòló. Ẹ má fi àdàbà wé tòlótòló. Wọ́n jura wọn lọ púpọ̀. So, ẹ jẹ́ ṣe rí this time around, ẹnìkan là á kọ àìsùn hàn fún, wọ́n kọ àìsùn hàn fún wa ní dispensation tá à ń lò lọ́wọ́ yìí o. Torí pé àwa nìkan là ń kọ̀ndẹ́mù ẹni tó jẹ́ tiwa. Àwa nìkan là ń kọ̀ndẹ́mù ẹni tó jẹ́ tiwa. Ọmọ Yíbò ò kọ̀ndẹ́mù tiwọn. Àwọn Haúsá Fúlàní ò kọ̀ndẹ́mù tiwọn. So gbogbo tí mò ń sọ ń gbà yín náà nìyẹn, tí ó di pé Sokoti ti gbowó, Sokoti ti ń ṣòṣèlú. Mo ti sọ láìmọye ìgbà pé tí n bá lọ fi conscience mi gbowó nìkan, mo ní kọ́lọ́hún gbogbo ẹ̀san tó bá yẹ mí kọ́lọ́hún ó ṣe fún mi. Ìwọ náà sọ wípé tó bá jẹ́ pé gbogbo ohun tó ń sọ yẹn, tó bá jẹ́ pé irọ́ lòun pa mọ́ Sokoti tàbí àwọn míì lórí pé àwọn ti gbowó kéré ti rí, ìwọ náà sọ pé kọ́lọ́hún gbogbo ohun tó bá tọ́ sí ẹ kọ́lọ́hún ó ṣe fún ẹ. Èmi tí ẹ bá tọrọ bí wọ́n bá lè tọrọ, gbogbo ohun tó tọ́ sí wọ náà, ìwọ tó ń sọ̀rọ̀ tó ojú rẹ ò tó, gbogbo ohun tó bá tọ́ sí ẹ Ọlọ́run ó ṣe fún ẹ. Tí èmi bá ń sọ̀rọ̀ nítorí mo fẹ́ gba owó lọ́wọ́ àwọn olóṣèlú ni, gbogbo ohun tó tọ́ sí mi Ọlọ́run ó ṣe fún mi. Sẹ́rí àwọn èèyàn ní kí n má ṣe pé mọ́ ni èpè tí n bá nìkan ṣe lórí fídíò Ọlọ́run ọba mọ̀ bí ìgbà ṣe tó. Ẹ wo Nnamdi Kanu tẹ́ mú kọ̀m̀píà pẹ̀lú Chief Sunday Igboho. Chief Sunday Igboho ń jáde káàkiri báyìí lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́. Nnamdi tó sọ pé freedom wà very very important. Òun wà níbi tó wà kò sì lè kú òǹbẹ̀. Torí bí ìjọba míì bí Aṣíwájú bá parí second time, tó bá sì pé ìjọba míì ó wà ní Nàìjíríà o, táwa ò ní jẹ́ part of mọ́ táàtì dá dúró tàbí ká wà ní region under wọn. Tí mo mọ̀ pé yẹn ó ti ṣẹlẹ̀ kí Aṣíwájú Bọ́lá Ahmed Tinubu tó parí second time pẹ̀lú ògo t'Ọlọ́run. Ní tí mò ń sọ yìí, ìwọ tó ọjọ́ ta Aṣíwájú yóò máa dùn ẹ́, ó máa sọ oríṣiríṣi ọ̀rọ̀ sáwọn èèyàn létí. Ṣùgbọ́n wọ́n fúnra ara rẹ̀ lọ́kàn ara rẹ̀ mọ̀ pé rọ́ lòun pa. Ó mọ̀ pé rọ́ lòun pa, ó mọ̀ pé lóòótọ́ security là ń fi Aṣíwájú ṣe lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́ báyìí. torí nǹkan kan ò lè jáwọ́ lẹ̀ Yorùbá bó ṣe ń gbogbo èyí tó jáwọ́ Kwara yẹn tí wọ́n ti kó sọ́jà kó gbogbo àwọn security lọ́bẹ̀ yẹn mélòó rú ẹ̀ ló ti jáde wọlé Yorùbá kí ni Buhari ṣe síbẹ̀ kí ni Buhari ṣe síbẹ̀ so a máa tanra wa tí ọba ríbi kan tó mọ̀ pé Aṣíwájú Bọ́lá Ahmed Tinubu ti ṣe tí ò dáa sọ́nà àwọn èmi náà ń sọ gbà tí wọ́n kó 90-something billion lẹ̀ fáwọn mùsùlùmí láti lọ sí hajj mo sọ pé tó bá tó àsìkò táwọn Christian náà máa lọ sí Jerusalem táwọn náà ò bá lè gba tójú bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn lọ á jẹ́ pé wọn mọ̀ ń tán sí táwọn bá lè gbà lọ́wọ́ ìjọba kí ló kan ìjọba pẹ̀lú àti máa sponsor àwọn kan lọ Mẹ́kà ṣùgbọ́n tí ò yáwọn èèyàn tá a máa ń sọ fún wọn ni pé n tó corrupt ìlú yìí di bó ṣe dà lẹ́ni ẹ̀sìn méjèèjì Christian and Muslim ni mo fi Ọlọ́run Lédùmarè búra ní gbà aburú tí ẹ̀sìn méjèèjì yẹn ń ṣe fún orílẹ̀-èdè yìí onílọ́lọ́run yẹn àbí ẹ̀sìn mùsùlùmí kọ́ náà fi ń kàn fásitì wa ni táwọn Fúlàní àwọn olórí burúkú yẹn fi ń pa wá wá ṣe education haram ni nǹkan ni àwọn Boko Haram fi ń pa wá àwọn Boko Haram tí wọ́n ń pa wá yẹn ṣé wọn ò para wọn mọ́ ṣé wọn ò wọnú mọ́sálásí lọ pààyàn sí ìyẹn náà kò tí ì tó ọlọ́pọlọ ronú pé àwọn ẹni yìí kì í ṣe pé nítorí ẹ̀sìn ni wọ́n fi ń pààyàn wọ́n ní mission tiwọn ni. Nnamdi Kanu tó wá ń pariwo fáwa pé wọ́n wà ní ogbó wa inú ogbó tí yín ni wọn ò sí wọn kò sí kankan ní ogbó yín ẹ̀yin ọmọ Yorùbá ẹ̀yin náà gbọ́ ṣé mọ̀ ìyẹn ti pẹ́ o ọ̀rọ̀ tó sọ yẹn ti pẹ́ kan tó mú nìyẹn ṣùgbọ́n èyí tó important jù ní gbogbo ọ̀rọ̀ tó sọ sí mi ó ní wípé freedom dáa púpọ̀ ẹni tó sọ̀rọ̀ pé freedom dáa púpọ̀ ẹ̀wọ̀dún tó ti wà nú ẹ̀wọ̀n ẹ̀wọ̀dún tó ti wà nú àhámọ́ tí ò ní freedom tó ò lè dá determine pé mo fẹ́ ní freedom so kò tán díẹ̀ tó bá jẹ́ pé bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn ni Sunday Igboho jà tó bá jẹ́ pé bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn làwa Yorùbá jagun tiwa àwa náà wà nú ọgbà ẹ̀wọ̀n Yorùbá yìí jagun bí ẹrú mò ń sọ fún wa náà ẹ̀yin ọmọ ìyá mi kíkiní ti gùn jù kò ní jù báyìí lọ ní àsìkò míì tí màá tó mú nǹkan míì wá sí etí gbọ̀yìn èmi ní màá wá ẹ̀yin ní màá bá pẹ̀lú ògo Ọlọ́run àní fi ikú gbúrò ara wa mo kí gbogbo yín pé ojú ọ̀fẹ́ ra kù.